Hey LM Gang, how is everyone? LM Gang, I hope you're good. Guys, this vlog it's all about running away from the load shedding. We don't have electricity, and I said, okay, let's just do something. Keep ourselves busy. We are in Kempton Park. Those who knows Kempton Park, Drizzly Mount, it's a park. We are in the park just to have fun. We're having lunch and some drinks. And then Hamamtetra. Gang. LM Gang. But yeah, we are here to have fun. It's hot. I just hope that it's not that windy, because what I'm trying to do here, I hope it will make sense. But yeah, guys, we're running away from load shedding. You know, when it's load shedding, you've got nothing to do at home. Rather be away and be productive and creative. That's what we are here. Oh. Okay, LM Gang, we just had a mini lunch here, chilling with Unosipo, and then now the order of the day. We are going to try fly drone, guys. We're going to try to fly the drone today. It's a bit windy. I'm praying and hoping that it won't run away. My drone is a very small drone. For people like us who are teaching themselves how to fly the drone. Yeah, I think it's a nice day, because even here at the park, you can see it's very few people. It's not as full as as it's always been on the parks. It's quite empty. And then let me just hold quickly. I'm gonna be using that space, that whole space. That's where I'm gonna be using the space. You can see there's no one there. Everyone is at the back. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Hey LM Gang, we're trying, guys. We are going to attempt. It's the first time. I hope it will come right. Okay.
Yes, Captain. Captain is your fly eye.
Oops. Everything on the box. We got three batteries, even though they are not the same. But as long as it does the work. Close. And we open here. Kinda nervous. These are protectors. The last time I checked, they're coming through here. You clip them here.
So it's protectors for what? For when it lands?
Yeah, for this.
For the propeller.
It's a protector of the propellers. CDI. Ziyaphuma. Hey, they will fly away. Fly away.
You must not fall off when you fly it.
The thing is, this everything it's a plastic here. Oh, here we go. It goes like this. Now I got it.
That one seems fine.
It's not.
It's not.
They need to come through here. Okay. Come through here. And it clips here.
Okay, what is this for?
Come on, they put me. All right, guys, you're gonna wish me luck here. You're gonna wish me luck.
Oh, toss that in there.
Doesn't even feel good to Ian's. Okay, moment of silence, moment of truth. We starting. Why two lemons?
Angibona nokuyibona. But yeah.
Yaba ukuthi icontrol boy.
No more. Glass light le.
Icontrol more. Why would?
Hey, discipline ihlahla.
Yazi ngilahle ngani? Ngifuna ukuba phambi kwayo izokhona ukuthi isithathe.
Jobi pegele.
Yenza umoya.
Relax.
Hey LMGANG, you see I've got only the controller. That thing is running away from me, like literally running away from me. The wind is not doing it justice. It will end up being broken. I don't know where it is. I'm going to look for it. Yeah, and then that's only unfortunate. But I'm enjoying myself. I'm learning. But yeah, I'm going to look for it. Right. Stop up on the app.
Okay.
Alright.
Not far from lab.
Got it. You got it, LMGANG. It's still lighting. Still looking good. Guys. But it's gonna take a lot of attempts before I can be able to know how to to fly this perfectly, but yeah, I will learn. I'm trying to fly it in a safe way so that when it goes down, it doesn't break. It's a plastic, unfortunately. But yeah, let's do it. Maybe. And the battery for this thing still recording.
La.
Yeah.
Uthanga icishe.
Can you start it again? I'll try to keep it just here. Want it to go up?
I cannot see us.
Eh?
Angisiboni
Ubona?
the ground. Ibuyise. Iyenza.
It's too much. LMGANG. We've been fighting. This is too much. The wind, it's blowing this thing. Yeah, uncontrollable. I cannot do what I want to do with it. I just have to postpone my training for another day. But for now, I'm happy that it's still working. You can see, still okay. And then yeah, I'll have to pack it for now. Then maybe the other day I'll come and practice more. But for today, the wind is too much. I got both of them in one piece, which is good. And then we're still recording. We're still recording. If I can record the lady behind the camera.
Can they see me?
Yeah, she. Oh, she's too. The lady behind the camera.
Me.
This thing, it's quick, eh?
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see. New phone, so I see myself.
But I cannot see you.
Okay. To my
right?
left, a bit to my left. Oh, I can see.
You can see.
To my left, to my right. To my right. Okay, to my left, kancane foot.
And you want to be perfectly.
Yeah.
Just give you a space. Are you sure? It's a 4K.
Yeah.
Even
Now
if
I'm saying, yeah, saying I want here,
Yeah.
yeah, my, yeah, when I Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, otherwise it is what it is, but we're happy we done what we could, and then we look at it. But for today the training is finished. Off to the next location. There's a family meeting. Guys, this family meeting is ziningi. But yeah, the vlog, it was only for the training of this vlog, it was only for the drone. Nothing much, guys. As you know, I've said it earlier on, we were at home, no electricity, so we decided let's just go out, have lunch by the park, and then yeah, it is what it is. At least I'm happy, guys. You've seen that I can try to fly a drone. Just give me 3 more training, I'll be good. You'll be getting a proper aerial shooting in my contents. But yeah, guys, this was this. Yeah, the sun is sunning on me. Yeah, was running. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this short vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please, guys, go there to that red button where it says subscribe, like, share and comment anything you want me to do.
And the bell.
Yes, and the bell. Until we meet on the next one, guys. Peace out.